President Museveni agambire binyuma abaziha mukoro gwo kurundana sente zo kwombeka ishomero rya gavumenti erya Rwichi mu primary school riri kushangwa muri Masheruka Town Council district ya SHEEMA ho miliyoni ziri kurenga 10 zirundinwe kandi ubutumwa bwe bushomerwa Omuhwezi we Major Jessica Alupo obanize no kwigurirwa rya gavumenti eri amabare health center ya Kashatu muri Masheruka.
You and the members of the fundraising that we should focus on household income. And he asked all of us to interest ourselves in the parish development model and emioga, so that when we have fundraisings in future, in case we have already addressed the issues of household income, every member of the fundraising will be coming with something to contribute.
Omuhwezi wa President w'ihanga Jessica Alupo atakashikiraho ubutumwa bwa President abanze yasima abanyashema ahubwo kumuzaruro mushija Peter Abine urukurwo mu cyaro cya Rwichi mu Masheruka ati onukwe kugabira bebembeze bahansente 30 zo kubihomboro. Alupo ajumiriire bikorwa by'abazire na munonga ku rugo muri Ankole abakino muze gwo kujema abana bato ngo baze kushwerwa.
We are going to make some clear and technical points which are facts medically, and then we shall identify a team of ministers to come here in Ankole to articulate that message district by district, so that it can be appreciated in a positive manner, and a girl child of Ankole who is faced with that risk of being forced into a marriage before completing school is secured and given the right to education.
Omukoro gugushikirwa abanyeshengero batari bamwe na bamwe okorwa muri bushenye mpango kandi bajumiriire bikorwa byo kwikiriza abishiki bato ngo baze kushwerwa batarukwenda.
Munonga abana babishiki abarukwatwa n'empaka abazira ubundi nabone bakwatanisa n'abarukwenda kubakwata bagenda batwara abana babishiki bari bato babahingira babashwerera bashija bakuru.
Nikintangaza kushanga mpakiriye amaka agahingira nangu no kugema abana bato babiki ngo baza kubahingira ninga kubashweza bari bato eje kintu cyo kukera kandi ubwo yishwe ngo RC eyo mu cyaro kuba nargaho hariho kansara hariho RC1 hariho abebembezi
bakaba kwito kukereza konkanya nkari mangu bikabukari kompuritre mbire surprise tukuza kureba kandi kareba ngo mu cyaro bamukereza motoka kandi cyinshasa no kuramuna byacirumu
I'm going to steal that money until let it be 15 million.
Miliyoni 9.9 nizo zirundinwe kashi na kompyuta mukagaho President abahire miliyoni 30 rero Vice President akabahi 15 zone zaburo.
SHEEMA buryomwe na munonga President wihanga ryitu kandi ayaba represented by the Vice President of Republic of Uganda kandi nitumushima n'umuganda guyaturetera kwa miliyoni 3
okurundana sente okuno kwijaho bwanyuma yabeje kweyongera umwishomereri okorga habeje 2017 kuzaharuka gana na 5 ekiresireho mwijorrano gasha kwa mayiko twakire.